I'm Eric.
I'm Valeria.
And we're doing Charles Law. The materials that you're going to need are 2 pots, a balloon, and a thermometer, and a measuring cup. We need to add room temperature water, and after that we'll add in the ice to make it ice cold water. And then we'll add room temperature water to this pot. Starting to boil the water to get the water to heat up so that we can pair the warm water to the ice cold water.
Okay, so we're gonna fill the measuring cup with 400 milliliters of water. And I'm gonna submerge the balloon to find the volume. It went up to 1,000 milliliters.
So what is it?
600.
Okay. The volume of the balloon is 600 milliliters. The thermometer into the ice cold water to measure the temperature of the ice water. The temperature of the ice water is 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which we will later convert into Celsius and then Kelvin.
Okay, so we're gonna put the balloon under the ice water for 15 seconds to see if it'll contract.
See if the balloon contracted in the cold water.
Yeah, it's like at 950.
So the balloon
Contracted 50.
Now we're going to place the balloon into the boiling water.
And hold it in for 15 seconds. Okay, that's fine. So now we're gonna put the balloon into the measuring cup to see how much it increased.
It increased to 1,020 milliliters.
Okay, now we're gonna measure the temperature of the boiling water. Okay, it stopped at 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
Which will convert into
Celsius and then Kelvin.
The equation for Charles' law is V1 over T1 is equal to V2 over T2. Now you're going to need to repeat this equation for the boiling water and the cold water. We'll start with the boiling water. V1 is equal to 600 milliliters and T1 is equal to 295.78 Kelvin. Now for V2 we're going to have X, and for T2 it's 369.3 Kelvin. Now you need to input those numbers into the equation, which will give you 600 over 295.78 is equal to X over 369.3. Now 295.78X is equal to 221.580. Now when you divide 295.78 from 221.580, you get 749.13. Now, for the percentage error, we have 20 over 749.13, which gives you a percentage error of 2.67%.
Show the paper.
I think they're going to be able to see everything.
Okay. So for the cold water, our V1s and our T1 are the same as for the boiling water. So V1 was 600 and T1 was 295.78. Our V2 was X and our T2 was 277.4 degrees Kelvin. After we plugged it into the equation, it was 600 over 295.78 is equal to X over 277.4. And 295.78x was equal to 166,440. X ended up being 562.72. And to find the percentage error, we put 50 over 562.72, which equaled 8.89%.